Hello everyone, welcome to Gardening for Better Health. This is Henry B. 723 coming to you today to say hello. Hope everyone where you are is doing well. We're doing fine here. And I wanted to give a special shout out to all of my subscribers. Some of them have been with me for a long time, some of them are recent, but I appreciate each and every one. And I want to say thank you to everyone who stops by my channel to see what's going on here. Today, I wanted to update you on a new project that I started. For the first time, I have planted some Cushaw seeds in my garden. I had never heard of Cushaw before until a friend of mine told me about it a while ago. They grow huge squash. They are huge. I'll show you what they look like. This is a picture of them. And these Cushaw squash get to be 18 to 20 pounds each. So I was very excited when I saw that these Cushaw came in seeds, and I ordered some from M.I. Gardener, and I planted those seeds. I wanted to let you know how they're doing. I planted the seeds, and I got on my notes here, it was actually May 23rd when I planted the seeds. They sprouted, and so they will be ready in about 60 days, which is going to be the end of July. Let me show you what they look like now. The seeds sprouted, and this is what I have today. With these Cushaw seeds, they came up really nice. Really nice Cushaw. And with these, they're really large leaves that are growing on here. With the Cushaw, I initially planted them with nice dirt. I used a mix of dirt that was potting soil, and I mixed in some other nutrients in that soil, and I planted them in there. Today, I just top dressed this whole bed with black cow, and that's why the soil is so rich and dark. That's the black cow in there, and I watered it in real good. It looks like these have a little bit of powdery mildew on them. You see those white spots? That's powdery mildew on those. So I will come out later on and I will treat the powdery mildew on these plants. So I'll put some neem oil spray on it to get rid of the powdery mildew, and that should help a lot. But if you notice, these Cushaw, they grow like regular squash. The seeds look like regular squash seeds, the way that they're made, and I will show you what a Cushaw seed looks like. They actually look like pumpkin seeds, but they're not. Those are Cushaw seeds. So yeah, they're a good size seed. And with the Cushaw plant, when it grows in a long trailing vine, and they run all over the place. From everybody that I've talked to who have grown Cushaw, they say that the Cushaw vines get started and they don't want to stop. So you got to have lots of room to let those vines run when they start to grow. So my plan is to let these grow. I have, and if you look again, I only have 1, 2, 3, 4 Cushaw plants. And this one is still growing. If you can see this one, it's still got the seed at the top. It grew and that seed is lodged there. And I'm going to let that seed stay there until it falls off on its own. It knows when it's time for that seed casing to come off. So with these 4 plants, I should get per plant maybe 4 or 5 huge Cushaw. I'd be very surprised if I got more than that off of each vine. And because they grow so big, that'll be more than enough for me and my family for this season. So I'm going to keep you updated as to how this Cushaw goes. I've never grown it before, so I'm real excited. I have it in this bed so that when it starts to trail, it can trail over the top of the bed onto the black fabric there and run all the way down. And it can run as far as it wants to on the black fabric. And the fabric will probably keep it from getting infested with bugs that would normally be on the ground, because it's not going to be in the dirt. It's going to be growing down the fabric. So we'll see how that theory holds. But I just wanted to share with you what I was doing today. I'm real excited to see this actually come to fruition, and I will keep you updated. Like, share, and subscribe. Come back to my channel on a regular basis to see what else I have planted, what else I'm growing, and what other tidbits you may be able to get to help you with your garden. This is Henry B. 723. Have a wonderful day. Bye for now.